Hey everyone, for the past couple weeks/month, I have been doing the final touches on the Magnum trains. In this update, I'll be basically showing you the trains from this stage to here. So it'll be some printing, cleaning of the print, painting, assembling the chassis, wheel assembly, all that kind of stuff. I'll include a description at the top of each of the new segments on what it is and what train it was to, because in this I made 3 different trains. This is for Connects, so I made 2 Connects specific trains, a blue one and a red one, and then also this 1/24 scale train. So yeah, it's been a long process. I'm kind of tedious, but I hope you guys enjoy. The next step I'm going to be doing to it is putting this clear sealer on it. So I made this little board here where you can prop up the car and then spray it down. So see how it goes. Probably an hour, so I'll be back. Let's see if it's good. Looks pretty good. Alright, so the 2 trains for the Connects coaster are complete. We made the red one and the blue one, obviously, and we have this funny looking car on the front of this one, which you'll figure out what that is on Coaster Writer's channel. To compare the scale a little bit, this is the 1/24 scale one. And that one, so you can see this one's about 20% bigger. And the only thing left to do for this update is to get the track painted for the 1/24th scale train. That's what we'll go to next. Alright, all three trains are now complete. The two Connects ones are running on Luke's coaster, Magnum XL 300. I'll include a link in the description below, and probably a POV of that as well below. And this 1/24th scale one. Don't have any plans yet to put this on a roller coaster, because I just don't have the space to make a roller coaster for this one. But yeah, who knows, maybe something will come of it eventually. I'll include some close-up shots of this right here so you can see some of the detail, and then I'll include an off-ride shot of Luke's coaster as well. If you want to see more of that though, go to his channel because he has the whole process of building the coaster from the ground up. He's got a lot of fun videos there. It's been a long process but very rewarding. I really like the results. Appreciate you guys sticking with me. There's going to be one more video in this Magnum XL 200 series. It's going to be a fun one, so look forward to seeing you guys there. Have a good one. That's pretty nice.